Hello and welcome to Boxmode tutorials on how to manage your online store. In this video, you will learn how to add shipping methods, how to enable automatically calculated shipping rates, how to set up local delivery and self-pickup, how to manage destination zones, and how to override the default shipping methods for particular products. So let's get started. To manage shipping, delivery, and pickup options, open Shipping and Pickup tab. Before launching your store, you must decide how to send your products to customers and how much to charge them for shipping. Calculating shipping costs will also help you determine at what price to sell your products and choose a suitable shipping strategy. Once you decide on your shipping strategy, adding respective options is intuitive. Say you want to ship your products within your country and internationally. For this, add a shipping option. Based on your location, you will see the most popular carriers to choose from. For example, in the US, you will see USPS, UPS, Fedex, and DHL. In the UK, it is going to be Royal Mail, GLS, DHL. In Australia, it is going to be Australia Post and Sandal. In Canada, it is Canada Post, UPS and FedEx, and so on. But at the same time, you are not restricted to these options, and you can choose from more than 100 carriers worldwide. So let's set up a first shipping method, say USPS. At the next step, you'll be prompted to set up delivery rates. Some of the carriers like USPS, UPS, FedEx, Canada Post give your customers real-time shipping rates at checkout. So let's go with this option. That is it, you have added a new shipping method, and now you can customize specifics. Different carriers can offer different shipping options. Depending on the product type and destination, a carrier will display relevant options to select from. At checkout, customers will be offered to pick among these options. They vary in price and delivery time. By default, all options will be enabled, but you can disable some of them if you wish. Online shoppers want precise, accurate delivery dates at checkout. And here you can specify how many days it takes you to prepare an order for shipment and the days when you pack orders. This will be taken into account when calculating estimated delivery time. Any lack of clarity during the checkout can result in losing a customer, so make sure to specify the estimated delivery date. When you add a shipping method, by default it will be set to all destinations. That means customers from all over the world can choose this shipping option at checkout. But what if you want to offer diverse shipping methods for customers from different geographic areas? For example, USPS for the US and say DHL for European countries. Or what if you work only within your city? Here you can specify the geographical area that you ship to with a given shipping method. In this case, it is USPS. For this, you can create a delivery zone on the map. It works better for local delivery. And in advanced settings, you can set delivery zones by country or zip code range. It works better for shipping goods internationally, across the country, or to particular states or regions. Initially, your store has 3 delivery zones: US, US and Canada, and Europe. Click on Manage Zones to customize them or add new ones. Say you want to use some shipping option for the continental United States only. And as you can see, this zone also includes islands. And we can either remove islands from the default zone or create a new one, and let's name it Continental US. And select all states and exclude Hawaii. And now let's go back to the shipping region and choose the continental US zone. After that, only customers from the continental US will see the USPS option at checkout. And now let's quickly add another shipping option specifically for Hawaii. This time let's try Fedex. The process of adding it is the same, and let's go with automatically calculated rates. And for Fedex, let's create another zone that will include only Hawaii. So now customers from Hawaii will see Fedex, and customers from continental US will see USPS options at checkout. Using the same approach, you can add as many shipping methods for different geographical zones as you need. In some cases, you may want to slightly increase shipping rate to be compensated for expenses related to order fulfillment. This fee will be included in the shipping rate provided by the carrier company. If you need the markup fee to be explicitly displayed at checkout, use handling fee option that you'll find under the settings on shipping, delivery, and pickup page. If your products feature the same size and there is no need to specify it for each product, you can set the default package size and it will be used to calculate shipping rates. Usually you could get lower shipping rates if you have a business account with a respective carrier. So it is better to register an account with a respective carrier first, and then you can integrate it with your store here. When carriers calculate real-time shipping rates, they use your shipping origin. By default, your shipping origin is the company address you mentioned in the general settings of your store during the initial setup. But if the address from where you ship your orders is different from your business address, don't forget to change it here, because otherwise the calculations will not be correct. But what if you're using a shipping method that does not have automatically calculated shipping rates? Or if you don't need this option? The process is the same. Say you want to use DHL. Depending on the products you sell and your shipping strategy, you can choose the free or conditional free shipping, flat or custom rates. Each approach has its benefits. Some customers may abandon their shopping carts because of the extra shipping costs. The free shipping option may encourage customers to proceed with their orders. For example, you might offer free delivery in your city and paid delivery across the country. If the cost of a product item with free shipping cannot make your margins stay high, you can offer conditional free shipping for orders over a set subtotal. Let's choose this one for DHL service. Change the name of this shipping method. It is the name under which customers will see this shipping method at checkout. And here you can specify shipping rates based on the order subtotal. Say for orders below $400, the delivery will be $50. And for orders above $400, the delivery will be free. If subtotal as a condition is not suitable for your use case, you can use weight instead. And remember to show the estimated delivery date at checkout. Setting a shipping region works the same way as we already discussed. Let's make DHL available for European region only. If you deliver orders by yourself, add local delivery method. In addition to free and conditional free delivery, You can use flat or custom rates. Let's choose flat rate. Rename the delivery method. Specify the delivery amount. It could be either flat fee or percentage. And don't forget to set the delivery zone, because by default it will be sent to all destinations. And this time let's pick the delivery zone on the map. Use this polygon on the map by dragging its margins to resize zone you deliver to with this shipping method. For local delivery, you might want to specify hours and days of the week when you accept orders with this delivery method. Remember to provide complete information about delivery conditions to avoid any misunderstanding with your customers. To allow customers to choose a delivery time at checkout, turn on the Ask for Delivery Date and Time at Checkout setting and customize delivery time settings to your needs. Don't forget to add a description for customers and describe this delivery option. Customers will see this information at checkout. You can include your delivery condition or your delivery time in the description. Now you have a local delivery method in place. And the last option is self-pickup. With this option, your customers can stop by your offline store to pick up their orders instead of waiting for a delivery. In addition to that, customers don't need to enter shipping information so that they can check out faster. You can customize here order pickup label at checkout, add detailed instructions to the customer, be as clear as possible, and don't forget to include your opening hours so customers know when to come. Now customers can choose self-pickup option at checkout as well. By default, all your products will use your store's shipping method you added in shipping and pickup settings. But make sure that this checkbox is ticked for products that you need to be shipped. If some of your products require an individual shipping approach, go to shipping and pickup, and under the shipping rates, you can enable or disable specific shipping methods. And don't forget to add weight and dimensions of your products if you use carriers that automatically calculate shipping rates. When omitted, the default product dimensions that you added in shipping settings will be used. This is it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.